Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you for tuning into this episode of Loud Gator here. We got some exciting updates that I can't wait to talk to you guys about, so let's get to it. We're going to be adding some speakers and talking about a new amp that we're going to be changing, so thanks for watching. Alright guys, so this is my Tahoe right here with the sound system that I've been building for the last 2 years. If you're new to this channel, I love sound systems and cars, and we're starting off this channel by building a beautiful sound system that's all perfectly made, or as close to perfect as we can do. And then down the road, we're going to be having some nice cars in this channel, some Trackhawks, RTs and whatnot. So gotta get my money, I've got to get my position in life a little better here. But once we get to that point, it's going to be nice and exciting. So to start off here with our sound system, if you're new to this channel, this is a lithium build Tahoe. It's got 4 Sundown Audio ZV5s. It's got 4 Neo V4 6.5 Sundown mid-range speakers. Then it's got 4 ETR1 super tweeters. If we open up the door, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so taking a look at the system, these are the 6.5s that I'm talking about right here, and then these are the tweeters. This is the lithium. If you know anything about lithium, this is LTO, excess power cells. These are my 2 amps giving each subwoofer 4,000 watts. I've got 2 8Ks, so for the 4 speakers, each of them are getting about 4,000 watts. For these 6.5s, it's currently running off this Crescendo Skyway 3K. And then the tweeters are running off of that Crescendo Symphony S2. And then everything is optimized with this digital sound processor right here. It is the Audio Control DM608, feeding each of these amps optimized signal to make for the best sound quality. Now here are the subwoofer ZV5s. And then this setup is the same thing on the front 2 doors. Now the reason why I'm making some changes here is because I had this professionally tuned at 1110 Customs in Montgomery, Illinois. If you're in the Chicago area and you need some professional tuning for audio control, digital sound processors, 1110 Custom is doing a good job. When we look at the F grabs for some of these speakers, we realize that some of the mid-range frequencies was not really a good idea to have them playing out of these 6.5s. So we decided to kind of cut a little bit off of that and just let these play a little bit of the higher frequencies to protect the integrity of the speaker. And so we knew that we needed to have maybe some mid-ranges added down the line. So that's where we're at now. Which brings us to the reason for this video, which is we are going to be adding 4 VEX 8-inch mid-range speakers and then adding a second 2-channel, which will be, one 2-channel will be for the tweeters. The second 2-channel will be for the 6.5s. And then the Skyway Mono Block 3000.1 is going to power these 4 VEXs, which is going to make the sound so much clearer. Looking at the build, I'm probably going to add that second 2-channel right on top of this 2-channel. And then this will be all for the VEXs. The VEXs are going to go in the front door, so I'm going to have 2 in each door. 1, 2. Same thing on the other side. Now, let's unbox these mid-ranges and I'm going to show you guys why this is the real deal. Alright, so let's get to unboxing these VEXs. So, I've got 2 of these massive boxes and each of them has 2 of them. They are sold single, so these are kind of pricey, I'm not going to lie. You can't buy these by the pair, you have to buy them individually. But we got some great pricing on Black Friday, so I decided let's go ahead and get this bought now, because I always like to buy my stuff ahead of time as opposed to having to just buy it all in one go. Alright, so just taking a look at the box, they are going to be nice and heavy here. Check it out. This is going to be the box. It just goes over the impedance. I got the 8-ohm version so that I could add more without having to worry about getting too low in impedance. They are 300 watts RMS, but I have heard that people have given almost double the power. With my 3000 mono block, which is a full range mono block, by the way, that will be able to play the mid frequencies that I'm looking for, I'm going to be able to give each one of these about 600 to 700 watt a piece. Now imagine how good it's going to sound. Now let's go ahead and open this puppy up. Got styrofoam, nothing fancy here. Nice protection. Now there she is. Take a look at that. Now right off the bat, you are going to notice that these VEXs are heavy. Look at me, I'm struggling to even get this thing out of here. But with enough force, you are able to pull it out. Now, these things are beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen a speaker that I've fallen in love this much with, because opening it up, you're looking at a carbon fiber cone. So this is true carbon fiber. Now, this is a pretty heavy boy right here. So this is about, I would say, 25 pounds of speaker right here, and the reason for that is this massive magnet right here. If you're familiar with Sundown audio subwoofers, you know they're famous for their big massive magnets, and this has a classic Sundown magnet. So you can see here, it's got some nice Sundown audio lettering, VEX 8, and then looking around here, you are just gonna notice that it is nothing but quality. We've got some push terminals here, which will allow for some good connections. They're bolted in as well, which I really like. And then just overall, Spider looks great. The casting is great. Overall, I mean, this is just a beautiful, beautiful speaker. And I've got 4 of these, so on the doors, we're gonna have them side by side. And then these things are gonna be playing that mid-range that the subwoofer shouldn't be playing. So when you look at the system, the subwoofers are gonna be playing anything around like 20 to about 50, maybe 60. But then from here, 60 hertz to about 100, these boys are gonna take over, and boys, they're gonna sound clear. So currently right now, the way that the setup is, it's really loud and very clear, but it doesn't have that low, crisp, mid-range bass that these will provide you. Now, if you've ever heard a sound system, you know how much of a difference good mids make, and that's what I'm here to do. This is gonna take me showing you guys and showing people in real life how beautiful it sounds, but this is a project that we're looking at have it done sometime next in the summer, next May-ish. But again, I want to start buying the stuff ahead of time. I will go ahead and show you the 2-channel. I've already unboxed the 2-channel, but this is something that you can always look back to my other video. Crescendo, beautiful little 2-channel Symphony S2. This will give me full tuning capabilities. It has its left and its rights. So this is gonna be for tweeters. Other 2-channel up there is gonna be for the 6.5 Neos that I have there. And then the Skyway is gonna power these. So this system is gonna be completely optimized. It's gonna have subwoofers for lows. It's gonna have tweeters for the highs. 6.5 Neos for the high mids. And then VEX 8s for some beautiful crisp mid bass. I am so excited here because we're gonna get some custom wood done for my doors. So if you guys know anybody in the Chicago, Detroit area that could do some sort of custom doors for trucks, let me know, comment, and then we can get in contact. But I am excited here to show you what the sound is gonna sound like, what the system is gonna sound like. And as always, thank you guys for watching.